my name is Christy, and today I wanted to make a video on how to put on magnetic eyelashes. I started wearing magnetic eyelashes about a few months ago. I heard about them on one of my favorite beauty podcasts called Natch Beaut. One of the guests on that episode said that she wore magnetic eyelashes and that they were so easy and they looked great. So I immediately went on Amazon and looked for some. I found some that were around $10. They were on Amazon Prime. They hardly had any reviews, so I figured this would kind of be a risk, but for like $10, it's worth trying. And I have to say, I am obsessed. I love them. They are my go-to. Since I got magnetic eyelashes, I haven't worn fake eyelashes. I'm actually wearing them right now, if you couldn't tell. I feel like they look natural, but they also look glamorous. The ones that I'm wearing right now are the same ones that I got a few months ago. They've lasted a lot longer than I think fake eyelashes normally last, and I'm thinking that's because there's no glue on them, so they don't get ruined. It's just these two pieces with a tiny magnet in between them, and they are so easy to use. I'm going to show you, if you keep watching, how I put them on in my eyelash routine. I also want to mention that I don't have any sort of lipstick or anything on right now, and that's because I'm planning to do a lipstick video after this, but first I wanted to make sure I got my eyelashes looking perfect. And I just want to thank you for watching. I'm very new to YouTube, so please like, comment, subscribe, give me some tips. I'm just really excited to be making a video for you. So I've done all of my makeup except for my top eyelashes. So all I'm going to do is put on some mascara. I'm not even going to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to start out using Maybelline Great Lash. And so I really want to make sure that I get enough mascara on the inner lashes because, as you'll see, these magnetic lashes just go on the second half of the eye. So they come in this magnetic case, which the top already broke off for me. But as you can see, it's these two pieces and they're magnetic onto this center part. I'm going to start out with the right eye. So it's just these two pieces that come apart and are magnetic to each other. And so the way I do it is I rest the top piece first and then magnetize it to the bottom. And then I'm going to grab the bottom piece and connect them. So as you can see, that just grabbed on really quickly and easily to the top lash. And then really I just kind of make sure they're in the place that I want them to be. And that's it. So you can see the difference with it on and with it not on. So I just went ahead and put the other eyelashes on my left eye, and as you could see, it's so quick and easy to put on. It did take a few times of practice when I first got them, but they're also so comfortable that I barely even feel them. They don't fall off easily at all. I've never had them fall off, and I've worn them out dancing, out in windy conditions. They actually stay on so well. And they're really easy to remove. I can actually show you really quickly how I take them off. Voila, came off so easily. So I really love magnetic eyelashes. They are definitely my go-to. So if you haven't tried them yet, I highly recommend you get some.